So, now we come over to the next part, measuring the Finplugs on the board. So for this we use a template. We measure from the rails and the glue lines of the middle pole, define the middle line, the stringer, and we draw it on almost 30 centimeters long. From there we use the fin placement from the template and put it on the rails, like 1 inch from the rail, for the different measurements and size of the surfboards. Here is a picture with different measurements of the fins. Usual, you can use the router kit from Future or FCS. We use Future the most, and yeah, it's just super simple. You measure your fins on with a template. We will have some more videos about that, but just to show that it's as easy as with foam. Just measure your fins on, place your router kit, and yeah, cut the plug into the Agave Blank. Here on the other side as well, like, you move some more often above the area. You don't cut so much on the first cut. On foam you can just sink in and cut like 1 or 2 times over it, and here on agave I would say, like, yeah, you going up and down a bit more often, and yeah, the plugs should be almost on the same level as the blank, so to max 3 millimeters inside. Yeah, make it ready for laminating step.